Can you really make $20 every single day using an automated crypto trading bot? Is this realistic? Or just another crypto dream? In this video, I'll show you the real math, the real strategy, and the real risks. Stay until the end, because the truth might surprise you. Welcome back to CryptoBot Lab, where we test crypto bots, AI trading strategies, and automated systems to see what actually works. Let's break this down. $20 per day equals $600 per month, $7,200 per year. Now the big question. How much money do you need to make $20 daily? Here's the reality. Making 2% every day consistently is very risky and not sustainable long-term. On platforms like Binance and Bybit, you can use grid bots and futures bots. Bots can trade 24 hours a day, remove emotional decisions, follow fixed strategies automatically. But bots cannot predict sudden crashes, avoid bad market conditions, guaranteed daily profit. Automation helps, but it does not remove risk. If your goal is $20 per day, here's a safer approach. 1. Use a grid bot in sideways markets. 2. Trade strong coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. 3. Start with at least $1,000 to $3,000. 4. Target 0.5% to 1% average daily. 5. Always use stop loss and proper risk management. Remember, some days you will make $30. Some days you will lose $15. Focus on monthly profit, not daily fixed income. If you think you can start with $100 and make $20 every day, that's 20% daily return. That's gambling, not trading. Professional traders focus on consistent growth, not unrealistic daily targets. So, is $20 per day possible with automated crypto trading? Yes, if you have enough capital and proper risk management. No, if you expect guaranteed profits without understanding risk. Crypto bots are tools. They are not money printing machines. If you want my exact bot setup and settings, comment setup below. And don't forget to subscribe to CryptoBot Lab for real automated crypto strategies. No hype, just facts.